trail. You ready? Here's where we're going. I think really glad I'm wearing my waterproof shoes. Halfway home. Almost. Can you tell which one I'm going to next? See that flat one right in front of me? It's on an angle, but it's sturdy. Here we go. Yep. Right here and right here. Get my feet a little wet, that's okay. We can come right on over here. Almost there. We're gonna make it. Oh, I don't know. Just kidding. The worst is long over. Okay, I believe left to right. We have St. Helens, Rainier, which is actually farther north, and then Mount Adams. Somebody let me know if I'm wrong. Oh. Oh. This whole time I thought I've been hearing thunder, and I thought I was losing my mind because it's like a very beautiful day here. No chance of storms. And then it turns out there's a couple in a tent about 100 yards from here, and they're fooling around, and their air mattress isn't inflated all the way. Thunder. Really important step when setting up a tent out here. Close the door flap first. I've got like 4 blood dinner guests already in there that I have to now get out because I left the door open. Yep. That's the spot after a long day. Nice hot stew. This video shamelessly brought to you by Jet Boil and Mountain House Adventure Meals. Currently in the middle of a bit of a rock scramble and very winded. You know what I'm crawling across. Let's go. One foot in front of the other. I believe rocks like this were called scree, I think. I will fact check before I post. If it's a different name, I'll title it. But what this is as the glacier has carved down the mountain, it's taken all the rocks with it. Thousands, maybe millions of years. They get broken up as they slide. Someday it'll continue down there and there won't be a glacier left. This canyon that you're looking at right here used to be filled with ice. This was a glacier, and that's why it carved all the way down. That way you can see it off in the distance, but it's long gone. Not gonna lie, that was a little treacherous. Some rocks under my feet went tumbling down the old glacier lane. But we are almost to the shelter. Here's the view from this puny little trail. Here's the meadow. A lot of people tent camp here. This dude's butt naked up there. I hope the resolution on my phone's not good enough to capture him. But we're almost to the shelter. Can you spot the tent in front of these 3 mountain peaks? Let's zoom in. Do you see it now? Little orange dot.
All in all, a great trip despite the mosquitoes. Thanks for joining me, guys. I'll catch you on the next one.